Number 8. Thank you so much for that one because I am proud member of the LGBT community. Alright, pakpak mga LGBT! Alright! And now, we have our candidate number 9, Miss Ivy Tapping. Hello, girl.
Hello.
Alright, kumusta nga atong lipstick diha?
I'm fine.
Alright, so you have to get your question down, you got your number now, your judge. Okay. And she gets judge number 1, Miss Kiara Chris. That's number 1. That's judge number 1, Miss Kiara Christy Abadia.
Good evening, candidate number 9. Good evening. My question is winning tonight's pageant important for you? Why or why not?
Thank you so much. Well, winning a competition is really an honor to all of us candidates. And for me, standing here that is my point, winning a competition. Because we sacrifice our time. We don't have enough rest just to take this opportunity. But then, we should put in mind that winning a competition is not just an easy task. We should put in mind that in a competition, it's not all about for how many times you win or for how many times you lose. But the important thing is that for how many times we learn. Thank you so much and may God bless us all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. That was Miss Ivy Tapi. And to complete with our set of beauties for tonight for our Q&A portion is our candidate number 10. This is Miss Kizaya. We're happy getting to you, girl.
Yes, good evening.
Alright, so how